everyone, so now we are going to do scarecrow subtraction. So when we subtract, we always start with the whole number. So I have 9 as my big number. You can put 9 on your fingers and take away 5. That would be 4. Okay, this one you can do with your fingers. Hopefully you're getting so that you can do it in your head. So you have 10, you take away 3. That would be 7. Okay, so 12 is a pretty big number. I don't have 12 fingers. So think of a strategy that works for you. In my classroom, I've taught them to draw a triangle. They put 12 at the top and 7 at the bottom. And then they count up to 12 from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 5. Okay. This one you could do, so 7 on your fingers, take away 4, you have 3 left. Okay, we'll do one more together, and then hopefully you'll be able to do the rest. So I'm going to draw my little triangle, 11 up here, 5 down here. Then I'm going to put 5 in my head and count to 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That would be 6. Okay, let's look at the next thing. Okay, this is called roll and color the turkey. So it says roll 3 dice, add them up, and color that number. So my first one was 6, so I'm going to think of 6. Plus 1 is 7, so now put 7 in your head. Plus 6, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to get my crayons and was it 13? Did I say 13? Okay, so I'm looking for 13. Oh, there's 13. I can put it, color this one red, and you can color them any color you'd like. Okay, let's do it again. My first add end is 4, so keep 4 in your head. Plus 1 is 5. Now keep 5 in your head. Plus 4 more. You can do that on your fingers. It's 9. Okay, looking for 9. There's 9. Okay, so if you need to use a piece of paper, that's okay. You can use a piece of paper. Maybe you need to go 5 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so then you could go 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 5 more, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It would be 13 again. So we're going to put 13, color 13. Now friends, please remember, you have to roll the dice 3 times. If you only do it 2 times, you're not going to get very many larger number. You're not going to get as big of numbers as you need. Okay everyone, I'll talk to you later. Bye.